I just enjoy it. I just enjoy being out. As I said, I've been on the field since I was nearly 10 years of age, so I'd sooner be outside on the field than actually anywhere else. Looking for punishment, I'd say. You'd have your bad times as well, like when you come over and maybe there's only two turn up for training and you're after arranging to come over. But then you take the good times. They seem to outweigh the bad times then on it. So it's mostly a mind game. If you have a good brain, a head about you and a good brain about you to the tactics of it. Youngsters that wouldn't be very fit, like fast or good at hitting the ball, but they'd be able to read the game a lot quicker than the ones that would. And they're more beneficial to the team than the ones that hit the ball because they can call the plays and actually win a game for you. It is a good sport for girls. You would have actually women with the children on the sideline. Like there's not many games that you can bring them, they can sit there. It's an honour to win it, but I'd sooner be in the background now than actually standing here with you. I think it's an honour for our own club anyway. It's recognition because women and girls they do have to fight their battle on the GA pitch, like camogie and football and the rounders. That you have to fight your ground or you get nowhere in it. Our numbers are after dwindling now since the last, say, 7 or 8 years. So I hope now that this might lead to a surge in like getting juveniles in and I can retire then, hopefully.